Alright guys, so today we are going to be installing we're going to be installing some BC Racing coilovers on Tito's 2015 370Z. Yeah, what are we doing today, dude?
Just gonna install them. I'm gonna try to get up to here, just to close the wheel gap. Should look pretty good. And this is gonna be DIY, right? DIY.
Do it yourself.
DIY.
Alright, this is already off.
Yeah. It's probably gonna be pretty warm.
Yes, it's a little warm. Alright, so first things first, we took this piece off.
This is a brace.
It's like your front, I guess.
Just 14 millimeter.
These were 14s across here and over there. And then back here, it's just a couple of pops going to this piece here. And this was just sitting in there. You take a flathead and that'll pop these out. That'll focus, so you'll get those out. And then you just got these clips. You can fight with it a little bit, pull it out. Make sure you get your trim piece here off of it before you start going and jerking on it.
It does have some clips.
Because it does have little clips on there.
Careful with those. And that'll give you enough clearance to get to the bolts for the actual strut.
What are you doing back here, dude?
I just took out all the trim. You gotta take this piece off first to get these off. And this, I don't know where the hell this came from. But all the clips are right there.
I think this is one of those. Are you gonna help, Ryan? I guess. Should we just do all four like Dylan?
What do you mean?
Do all four at the same time?
We can.
Alright.
Just enough to get the wheel all the way down.
Yeah, probably. Yeah.
She's had two so far.
Like this year?
Yeah, no. Like in total.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Is this year?
Well, I was looking at this.
Ryan's over here pulling wheels off.
4019.
Alright, coming down.
And we're getting a pretty good head start going so far.
Are they square setup, your wheels? Are they square? Your wheels? The same width?
No.
These are wider than
These
that.
are 10s and these are 9s.
Okay, because I was saying these are 275s in the rear.
So what are we doing here, Tito?
SPO control arms. Alright, so looking under here, there's a plate on this side if you want to come over here on this side.
Oh.
That's where most of the bolts are going to come out of. This one, and these two down here. And that should be it. Just to let go of the strut from the bottom side. The top side, you just have to worry about those 3 bolts that were on top. That's why we took off that engine brace. It's pretty easy, so let's see how fast it goes.
So what do you have to do on the back wheel?
I just gotta take this bolt out to get the spring out, this bolt out, and then there's 2 small ones up there to get the whole strut out. And replace all that.
Easy enough. So you're pulling that right there out.
And this one.
Taking this one.
No, yeah,
That
right there.
one.
That gets the spring out.
Sweet, so that one, and then 2 up there. We're just gonna add to the Z party.
What's the,
Everybody here has a 370Z except for me, Ryan, and Haley.
Me, what the frick?
Can't
Can't afford it.
Don't want it.
What's up, man?
Dude, I'm digging the Summit hat and shirt. Did you just get off work?
Well, we did like around 12.
What's up, dude?
We just started.
They just started.
Yeah, I just got the wheels off. Alright, so with these new coils, what you can see is these are adjustable here. Versus this one, obviously, is not adjustable. You just have a spring to help. This one, you've got tighter cold spring, and it's adjustable here. So you loosen up the one nut to where you want it to be, back this one up to it. The tension of the 2 keeps it tight. You can also adjust down here at the bottom and up here from up top to adjust how that spring handles. Much better than your factory with no control over it at all. So far, so good.
You have to be perfectly in there or just up? I would slam it and then see how much to raise it. That's
How
what
much
I would
raise
do.
it? Okay.
I would slam it first and then.
It won't. You don't think it'll like
I doubt because you just make
hit
this.
anything? Okay.
I mean, you didn't see anything on that, did you?
No, I didn't see anything.
I mean,
Here's the
typically,
Slam it.
I would slam it and then
Slam it and go up
up
from
from there rather than try to go down.
Yeah, I see it
Yeah,
slam.
slam it and go up.
Yeah,
Yeah, I just want to see it slam.
What you got?
Dude, this is fucking stuck.
Hey Tito,
What's up, bro?
did you bring in WD-40?
This is called.
Yeah.
For real?
I can't use an outfit. I can't go in. I don't know what.
I'm gonna go do like some pottery.
Very nice. Ozarka, sponsor us.
Actually, great value.
Oh.
Walmart.
Alright, now we're putting the front ones back on. It helps to have two people, and we'll show you why.
Inside?
Yeah, from the side, just make sure these brackets are coming up here.
Yeah, I'll be you.
These. Where did this one come off? Remember?
Oh, right there. It was right there.
It was right there. Yeah, my house.
The other way, other way.
Alright, so they're all installed. I'll give you like a little preview of how low this is. Because it's gonna sink once it hits the ground. It's gonna sink even more than that.
It's actually where it was.
Is it?
First little drop,
That's like
gonna
really
come
close.
off.
That's crazy, dude.
Rob, you scared? Can I just start it?
Go ahead.
Just crop it out, dude.
It's just gonna go crunch.
I know.
R.I.P. fender liners. Oh!
Is that gonna be?
That's on the.
Is it on the jack?
That's on my side skirt right now. That's it up.
You put blocks under your tires. Put some blocks.
That says blocks
Right there.
by your feet.
There's one.
Yeah, I'll put it.
There's this one.
Okay, watch it again. See the side skirt? 'Cause I can't really see.
Jesus.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's good.
Oh, Jesus.
Alright.
Oh.
You go the other. Oh. No, it's good.
No, it's good.
Oh, no.
You're so low, you're catching the jack. Oh my God.
Alright, lift it back up and we'll put one more piece of wood.
Alright. I don't know if I don't think I came off.
Wait, so how are we gonna put it back up?
Oh, shit.
Is it on the liner? If it's not, you gotta drive it.
Oh,
You can turn.
dude.
Dude, look. Oh my god.
He's looking at clearance. I mean, he clears. Not even a finger. Here he clears. You clear.
Let me turn the other one. Alright.
Oh, come on. They try to feel.
Yeah. Okay. What are you gonna get?
Everywhere is about like a finger.
So it's like just perfect.
Good.
That's it. Got it.
We're going at 7.
You clear. You can. I mean, any bump that you hit, or if you're on incline, you're gonna
Okay.
rub. But
You want to take a drive?
yeah.
Run it.
Yeah.
Native wood.
Well,
Yeah, I know.
Hell no, I'll be like, fuck you. I'll marry me.
Damn. Oh my god. Oh.
Alright, slow right here.
Oh, you're good, you're good.
On.
Wait.
Are you good? Go. Slow. Go. Go. You're good. Good. You're good.
You're good this way. Ah!
Oh, no, like that.
That's that front plate, sounds like.
I don't even see anything. Go.
It's this little thing right
You're
here.
good. Hey, wait.
I see it.
That's a good picture right there.
Oh.
You're at 1,000 back.
Oh.
Fuck.
Fenders.
Wait.
Allows your bumper. Oh, you're clear, man.
Oh. Yes. Dude.
You want to see it? Dude, you look bad.
Dude.
Almost.
Oh my god, dude.
You really almost look bad. I can just feel how low this is, man. I feel like I'm on the ground. Are you full? Dude, it's tempting to keep, man.
Come on, get out. Feels like again. Miss the old feeling. I mean, let it come up. cut that out.
Delete.
It looks fucking good.
Got that on camera. It looks good, man.
It looks fucking good.
Yeah.
Like, even with those fucking wheels.
I want just to scoot over a little bit. No, it's fine. I want to be
Yeah.
Kiss it.
Tito, what do you think?
Even the stock wheels
It looks
don't kill
it looks good, man, but
You chucking hard.
that's definitely not a daily driver right there.
Dude, come on. Just
Not
a little
you.
bit. Just
You look like almost bad.
Rip. Tito doesn't like being this low, so he's got to get back up to being high again.
Back to monster.
fucking sucks.